More than 2/3 of Americans are overweight and frustrated with the failures of fad dieting and exercise. But a revolution in scientific research confirms that the key to weight loss is not counting calories, fat, or carbs, but a balanced gut. The gut microbiome is the body's inner ecosystem. When it becomes sick and imbalanced, the body holds on to unnecessary weight and you feel more hungry more often. But when the trillions of live bacteria in your digestive tract are balanced, excess pounds melt away and you feel revitalized. From one of the leading experts in digestive health and nutrition comes the Gut Balance Revolution, a 3-phase plan to reboot, rebalance, renew your health, and lose weight for good. Available wherever books are sold. Come join the Gut Balance Revolution.